Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Pagania, another win for Orlando Pirates. We just can't stop, Pagania. Who's gonna stop us, Mara?
Bafethu ngayisho lento ukuthi ayifakwa olamthuthu lento. You know, if you remember last on Saturday,
Yeah.
I told you ukuthi we have this challenge bafethu. We have this guy uNemtanjera, which is number 15.
Yeah.
And then he made it on a Tuesday. And then he was our man of the match. Guys, no one can stop us. No one can stop us. Yabona le ndlela sihambayo. Clean.
Yeah.
Asabi bafethu. La siya khona siyaya. Yabona makuthi siyahamba. Yabafethu. Siyaya.
I know Siaya Pagania. Beautiful goal by Mbokazi. Wow.
Bafethu, you see when it comes to Umbokazi, that guy, we can tell ukuthi he is very brilliant. Yabona lo yamjita makadlala idiski ne. Yonke into ayenzayo uyacabanga. We need players like Umbokazi. Abakwazi ukukhipha ama-passes like Umbokazi. That guy, like yabona if player goal if uyibhekile kahle. Like beke sure ukuthi lento ngizoyenza. You understand? Ubhekile kahle wabona ukuthi akekho umuntu ozomnikeza ibhola. Mara ngethemba lakhe wathi Pirates amabhakabhaka ngizowabeka la mele ngiwabeke khona. Bafethu, hayi wasilahlela khona.
Thank you Pagania. Bopa.
Bopa.
Bopa.